We can't get enough of Finnish coffee brownies, Mokkapalat. This is a retro treat from the 40s. Let's beat first 2 eggs and half a cup of sugar. And then we'll mix the dry stuff, flour, cocoa powder, baking powder and vanilla sugar. Then bit by bit we add flour mixture to the foam, and then a bit of milk, and then a bit of melted butter, and we go on this round, everything bit by bit until we have the whole cake base there. This takes only about 10 to 12 minutes in 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's test if it's ready. Good old toothpick trick there. If it doesn't stick to the toothpick, it's ready. Here I measure the icing sugar, and let's then melt the butter as well, and then we'll add coffee, strong coffee, Finn's favorite, to the butter, and then some vanilla sugar and cocoa powder. It looks like this, and then after adding the icing sugar, I didn't add it all, it looks like this. And let's spread the icing while it's still warm, because it will set when it gets cold. The icing is really yummy, and then some sprinkles on top.